Read out what you listened last time.
Nerve full of log. Wear new clothes.
Okay.
This door. Run fast. Guts shung. Go sleep. Read
Okay.
the book. Kitab par. Your cuss. Go up.
Sure cuss. Sure.
Your
Sure.
cuss.
Sure cuss.
Your.
Not sure, not sure. Sure cuss.
Okay. Bon was. Come down. Batu. No, sorry. But. Ke.
Batake.
Eat food.
Bat-
Oh yeah, batake.
Batake.
Todd what? Todd what? Todd what?
Todd. Todd what?
Todd what? Stand up.
Yeah.
Khatar beh. Sit down.
Correct.
Crash che. Drink water.
Good.
Those are all 10 sentences.
Great, great. So she sorry tagan kashir when hekal to kashir pet kath karit.
Yeah.
So she kart panis boys sit kath kashir pet.
Ha ha. Sometimes.
Ah,
Brother.
I score na 5 minute 1 minute say ki urjan se vanun shi saas time se sitan kath karan. Barabar?
Ha.
Good. Mami se tu chu kath karan kin baya se yot se chu kath karan.
Mama se, papa se, but boy se bhi.
Boy se bhi. Mama se maj sit. Mama maj. Papa maj sit chus kath karan. Maj sit chus kath karan.
Maj se chu kat karan.
Malis sit ti chus kath karan.
Merlish suitis kat karan.
Sit ti chus kath karan. Malis sit ti
So,
means two. I two. Malis sit ti chus kath karan. Kashir pait.
Merl sit to kat karan.
Good. No, Jan', that's good. How about Sukriti?
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. तो एक और पैट में लाइट थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस आपने किया थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस आपका वीडियो आपका ऑडियो मेरे को मिला वेरी नाइस. वो एक बार वापस पढ़ेंगे. आपके पास लेसन है वो कि मैं खोल दूं
लेसन है तो सही. 1 मिनट.
ठीक है. ओके. let us start the class and with you we'll revise that earlier one. Okay.
है मेरे पास लेसन.
आपके पास भी होगा लेकिन शिवांश को दिखेगा नहीं. So we'll do one thing. We'll put up that last lesson and जो आपने वो तो last हो सुना ना सूझमुती के ये. Okay. You are able to see it?
Yes, I
Yeah, I can
आपको
see
दिख
it.
रहा है?
Yes.
Okay. स्वीकृति जी पढ़िए तो गॉडनिक सेंटेंस.
पढ़ूं मैं ना.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
1 मिनट. let me one thing. एक मिनट मैं थोड़ा उसको बड़ा कर देता हूँ. Give me one. Is it okay now?
It's readable.
Okay. हाँ आप पढ़ लीजिए.
Dollars, month, she, the, lank, swana, lank, the, varp, lank.
It is actually ये जो जब ये ऊपर में र होता है ना तो ये लेटर के ऊपर के रहता है लेकिन र पहले आता है ऊपर वाला पहले. रॉपल ज़लंक बराबर पढ़ा आपने. Sonalunk means and sonalunk the ropalunk. When we have a r at the top, it is half r. So what we do, ropalunk. Okay. Very good.
Okay.
And next एक पढ़ेंगे.
सिर जगीर छी सोपरस नख अख सौंदर जाए.
Sir jagir. Sir jagir
जगीर
छ सोपोरस. दोनों के ओ ज्यादा बड़े हैं. सोपोरस
सोपोरस
नख अख सुंदर जाए.
अख सौंदर जाए.
It's a beautiful place near Sopor by the name Sir Jagir. That is what it means. Okay. Next sentence.
मटन छू कशीरियन बटन हुंद अख बुड तीर्थ.
Na. Kashiran. See, it is म वाला दो. जैसे म जब पढ़ते हैं, जैसे हमने पढ़ा था वो गाइड वर्ड है. इसमें कशिरन र आधा है और य है. कशिरन बटन हुंद आख बोर्ड तीर्थ. ठीक. Can you read it again? Mutton chu kashiren button hund board तीर्थ.
मटन छू कशीरियन बटन हुंद अख बुड तीर्थ.
बस फर्स्ट क्लास. नाउ यू कैन प्रोनाउंस इट बेटर. तो अगर आप ये वापस करेंगे ना रिकॉर्ड जो आपने किया है, तो यू विल फील द डिफरेंस. ओके. नेक्स्ट.
कशीरी फ्रंडन जंगलन मंज छू बुदुल कायुर त दिवदोर वपदान.
अभी जैसे अभी आपने पढ़ा, इट इज मच बेटर देन व्हाट यू रिकॉर्डेड. अभी आपने वो बहुत फर्स्ट क्लास तरीके से पढ़ा. you read, you see, you hear that your voice note again, है ना. आपने बिल्कुल कशीरी कशीरी ऐसे लिखा है. कशीरी Kundan the year Kundan Janglan months. So now it is perfect. What you have spoken now, it is very near to what we should be studying. ठीक है, बिल्कुल फर्स्ट क्लास हो गया. नेक्स्ट ये पेज का पढ़ेंगे, then we'll go to lesson 7. Go ahead.
व्यथ छी श्रीनगर शहर द्वन हिसन मंज तकसीम करान.
Very good.
सो क्याजे ओस हेरी वन त्व वन होर करान.
Here it is ह और ये आधा है. ये here
ह्योर
ह और ये कंजेंट है. ये here करान. Okay. Very good. Next.
कलहन पंडित ओस अख मशहूर तवरी खादान.
त्वरीख दान. Good. First class. Shivansh, I want you to read this last one. Can you read this? Let us try, give you a try.
Wait 1 second.
Yemen wala last sentence. Why? On this page. You read from the screen. Don't worry. Don't read from anywhere. I think read it.
Iman, Don, Bayan, Chi, Zameen, Asman, Farak.
Zameen. Barabar. Everything else is perfect. Zameen, Asman, Farak. Absolutely perfect. Great. So let us go to the lesson 7 today. Okay. So we just wanted to revise this because आज के जो lesson है, जो lesson 7 है, उसमें 6 का काफी revision है. So we'll go through that again. Okay. Let's go here. Actually, जैसे आपको पता है, इस पे तो पता है शिवानी जी छन तबीयत ठीक, तो we had asked her last time to write this in Roman. So मैंने उनको भेज दिया है. So I think next time when she is well, she will write this in Roman also. Okay, for Shivansh. For the time being, Swikriti will read this lullaby. Go ahead.
Ami pan sudaras navi chaslaman kati bozi dai myon yamon myon me ti di tar amyan takyan poin zan shaman zuv chum praman कर गच था.
Perfect. इस बार बहुत अच्छी तरीके से गाया था. एक आदत थोड़ा चेंज हो गया, but first class. Nice. I am very happy. So for Shivansh, I have already done this in this thing. It will come in the next lesson probably. Okay. So the next time you will read it in Roman. Okay. So lesson 7 is that again we have read this. Can you Sukriti ji आप ये पढ़ेंगे? Last time Shivansh ने पढ़ा था. Can you read this? What how to pronounce this?
We learn to use a. We learn to use a, and a. In lesson 3, we learn to use a, o.
Very good. ये थोड़ा सा जो भी है ना और थोड़ा सा pronounced है. जैसे और है ऐसे ही suit. When we say suit, that time this one is used. So both Shivansh and you should remember. Suit. So this is where we use okay. We did exercises. Okay, that we have this is the same thing. In lesson 5 and 6, we learned daily use words and few sentences. Hope you have practiced. Now I think we will have that. We'll have something here for again refreshing ourselves. Do you remember all partially what we learned in the past? तो अभी शिवांश ने भी थोड़ा बोला, आपने भी बोला. मेरे को लगता है कि आपको कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कैसे प्रोनाउंस करने का. That's very good. Do you practice those? Do you practice? Are you able to read and write? आपके पास लर्निंग ग्रुप तो कोई है नहीं. आपको मैंने स्वीकृति जी जैसे शिवांश ने बोला कि सुशुभ महिलिस्त माजिसित कात करन, आपने किसके साथ बोला? आपने मेरे को एक वॉइस नोट भेजा है. और किसी के साथ बात की? नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. अगेन एज आई टोल्ड यू, जैसे लास्ट टाइम बोला था, जैसे हम लोग पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में क्या करते हैं जब लेसन्स लेते हैं पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के, तो वी लुक इनटू द मिरर एंड स्पीक तो अंडरस्टैंड अपने जेस्चर्स कैसे हैं, कैसे कैसे लोगों को दिखते हैं हम. तो ऑलवेज यू कैन ट्राई दैट आल्सो. ओके, ठीक है.
हाँ जी. तो जो लेसन्स में सेंटेंसेस है वही
आप मिरर के सामने भी बोल सकते.
ओके.
Very good, very good. Okay, now we can do one thing. Start today's lesson. Sentences to remember. Kashmiri, Kashmiri, certain, Kashir, Sari. Kashmiri, certain, Kashir, Sari. Kashmiri, certain, Kashir, Sari. Natavaranik, Haran. Okay, can you read this? Swikriti ji, can you read this?
Kashmiri, Syutan. It's Syutan. Hello.
Certain. 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 The is conjunct. Certain. Okay.
Certain.
I think there एक चीज आपको बताता हूँ, ये जो पहला वाला कशीरी लिखा है ना, ये थोड़ा कशीरे 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 certain, हाँ, but कशीर कशीर सरी, ठीक है दोनों को. कैन यू रीड दिस? नत वरानिक हरान काव. शिवांश हाँ हाँ को गॉड सुकृति जी, आप पढ़ लीजिए पूरा.
नत वरानक्य वरान, ये बहुत मुश्किल है क्या? हाउ डू वी प्रोनाउंस दिस? We can't hear you.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Shivansh, can you read this?
Kashiri Sultan Kashir Sari Nut Varan
Nat.
Nat Varan Ki Haran Kav.
Yeah, this at the end is should be super spirit. There's a problem there. Varanik kav, Haran kav, Varanik Haran kav. Okay. So what it means? We are Kashmiris because of the Kashmiri language. If language is lost, we will be lost like crows of a desert. Okay. That means we must learn our language. This statement was made by Amin Kamil. Okay.
Amin Kamil.
Okay. Now you have last. He's a Kashmiri literate. He's a very famous personality who writes a lot of poems and Kashmiri literature. Okay.
Just
okay.
one thing, मुझे ये वरान्य का pronunciation एक बार
Varan is basically where there is nothing. So desert like. It is a sort of metaphor. तो उसके लिए वरानिक हरान का. Varan means there is this Varanik. Varan means there is nothing. There is a desert. There is nothing there. So it is an equivalent of desert. Nik means off Varan. That means Varanik. So that's how we write when we read the sentence. Varanik हम पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? Off
वरानक्य.
Nik. जैसे आपको लास्ट भी मैंने बोला, क पर ज्यादा स्ट्रेस देना है, य पर कम. जहां पर भी आधा, यहाँ पर य के साथ में आधा लेटर है तो प्रीसीडिंग लेटर पर ज्यादा एम्फेसिस है, य पर कम है. वरानिक, क पर ज्यादा एम्फेसिस है, य बहुत छोटा सा. वरानिक ओके. वरान का. Okay. Okay with you, Shivansh?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, you tell me 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 9 plus 1, 10. So, we have 16 we have, 15 and 16 we have. 8, you first 8 words you tell me in Kashmiri what it means. Go ahead.
Who, me?
Yeah, for you, Shivansh.
Let's see. Wait, but I need to see like the what do you call the Kashmiri versions.
You have to remember this.
I don't have a good memory.
You're not remembered. Okay, let us ask Sukriti ji. Chalo, theek hai. Okay, we'll ask her, then we'll test you again. Sukriti ji, आपको याद है?
याद सारा नहीं है, but ठीक है.
जो
Sentence,
आपको याद आता है. हाँ.
sentence,
जुमला.
jumla.
Jumla. Okay, speak.
Speaking.
Any one of you, whoever knows it, he will answer. Okay, go ahead. ये मुझसे पता है शो सुवाइन. Speak. बोलुन. Read. Shivash. Parun. Very good, Sukriti ji. Parun. Write. Shivash.
Yeah.
Lekhun. Right, lekhun. Mother.
Merge.
Father.
Mole. Brother. Boy. Sister.
Benny.
Oh, come on.
Daughter.
Kur.
Very good. Cool. Son. Nephew. Shivansh, you have to remember this. You are nephew of your parents, okay? Nephew of mama and papa, okay? Nephew, son, uncle.
Petur.
It is not O. It is U with a cap. It is Petur. Okay? Okay. What meaning?
Kya.
When? Car. When? Car. Where? Kati. Very good. Here. It sounds, it is rhyming with where? Yeti.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
Yeti. And there?
Tatti.
Very good. But you have to remember this. Shivansh, you can't keep reading from the notes. This is what you have to do. Now, all these words, these are common words which are used, like you remembered mother, father, brother, sister, you remembered all this. So you have to remember sentence, speak, read, write, all these words, okay? So now what you have to do is that remember all this. Next time we'll go again, okay? We'll go over this again. Vocabulary 2, verbs of daily use. I will read this and then you can repeat it. Do, Karun. Work, come, Karing. This I again should be superscript. Sit, Bihun. You can repeat after me, whatever I'm saying. Do, Karun. Okay, repeat. Karun. Work, come, Karing. Shivansh, you also can repeat. Come, Karing. Sit, Bihun. Repeat.
Sit, Bihun.
Very good. Stand. ये तो आपने पढ़ा भी था. Shivansh, you read this.
Yeah, I did.
What is it? Stand. Now, can you read this again?
Watun.
Very good. Go, Gatsun.
Go Gatsun.
Come. Sun. Come Yun.
Come Yun.
Repeat, please. Sleep. Shivansh.
So is Shangun.
Very good. Eat.
Kyan.
Kyun. It is
Kyun.
small. It is O. It is O with a dash. It is Kyun. Okay.
Kyan.
Chun.
Drink. Chun. Right. Chew.
Drink. Chun.
Drink.
Chew.
Chun.
Both of you.
Chew. Sapun.
Sapun. Very good. Sapun.
Sapun.
Sapun. Sapun. Very good. Perfect. Walk.
Pakun.
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 Run. Dorun.
Dorun.
Repeat. Run.
Dorun.
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 Jump. What? What? Tulin. What? Tulin.
Tulin.
What to learn?
Very good. Cook. Ranun.
Bolo
Cook.
Shivansh.
Repeat.
Cook.
Ranun.
Ranun.
Clean. Saaf karun. Repeat. You're not repeating after me. Clean. Saaf karun.
Saaf Karun.
Sweep.
Saaf Karun.
Sweep.
Sweep. Duvan.
Duvun.
Duvun.
Duvun. Enter. Atsun.
Atsun.
Enter Atsun.
Leave. Leave. Nerun.
Nerun.
Leave Nerun.
Fly. Wudun.
Udon.
Fly Wudun.
Close. Band karun.
Nose Ban Karun.
Close
Open.
Band Karun.
Open. Kholun.
Open Kolun.
Open Kholun.
Read. Parun.
Parun.
Read Parun.
Write. Lekhun.
Lekun.
Right Lekhun.
Drive. Chalavun.
Shalavan.
Drive Chalavun.
Bring. Anun.
Bring Anun.
Anon.
Wash. Chalun.
Wash. Chalun.
Wash Chalun.
Hello. Hello.
We had a disconnect from net disconnect. I'm not at my home. I'm somewhere else. So I think you have got more disturbances. Distribute. Bergravun.
Bergravun.
Distribute Bergravun.
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 Print. Chapun.
Chavun.
Chapun.
Print Chapun.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was Chapun. Oh.
Swim. Swim. Sant. Wine.
Tant wine.
Swim, thant, wine.
Vayin. Correct.
Wine.
Bed, Shran, Karun. Repeat.
Sheen. No, wait, what?
Bed, Shran, Karun. You can see the screen.
Shan Karun.
You can see the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ride, Savar, Karin.
Savar Karin.
Ride, savar, karun.
Karin.
Karun. Karun.
Not O. It is not O. Karun. Karin. Okay.
Karun.
Right.
ऐसे तो बोल Karun.
Ah, very good. Perfect. Cut. Satun. Katraun.
Cut.
Katraun.
Katravun.
Cut. Satun. Katravun.
मैंने लास्ट टाइम बोला था कि इसका डिफरेंस क्या है सटुन और कतराउन रिमेंबर शिवांश
Yeah.
what is it what do we call cut and what do we call katraun
It's actually one of them is cutting vegetables, the other one is cutting.
katraun is for vegetables or for fruit and satun is for generally cutting any paper or cloth or anything okay peel dal tulun
Pil dal chulun.
Peel. Dal. Tulun.
hold ratun ya thap karing
Hold. Ratun. Thak. Karin.
again we made a distinction between ratun and thap karing सुकृति जी आपको याद है
नहीं.
शिवांश आपको याद है
What?
you remember
Yeah.
you remember the difference between ratun and thap karing
Actually, I think one is holding on and the other one is just holding.
yes and one is holding on to something another is holding somebody's hand thap karing means if you're holding somebody's hand thap karing you just hold him by your hand that is thap karing otherwise ratun means anything you want to hold some pot or pen or something whatever you want so that is ratun okay great now we start with lesson 7 so lesson 7 we have first we'll repeating the sentence we learned in lesson 6 which we did in the starting of the session Shivansh you did something so let Sukriti ji did not read those sentences so let Sukriti ji now read the sentence Sukriti ji padhiye aap
Come here. Wall. Yur. Go there. Tor. Guts. Hor. Guts.
guts nahi guts only guts
Tor. Guts. Hor. Guts.
no not guts guts would be if there was a ardhachandra at the bottom it is guts only guts yes hor guts it is not Devanagari guts it is kosher guts okay sit down
Pathar be. Stand up. Khud what? Eat food. Batu khe. Drink water. Tresh che. Open the book. Kitab mutsara. Read the book. Kitab par. Go sleep. Guts swung. Go
guts
up.
nahi again not guts no problem guts strong
Guts swung.
very good
Go up. Here up. Come down. What? Open the window. Dhar. Matsara.
mutsra yes
Mutsra. Close the door. Bar kar band. Switch on the light. Bijli zal. Switch off the fan. Pankh kar band. lay the carpet. Clean Vahrav, give me the water. Make the peon, Trish.
Okay, it's Shivansh, you read few sentences which I will tell you.
Okay.
Open the window.
Dhar mutsrav.
Dhar Musrav.
Dhar.
Dhar Musrav. Okay.
Okay.
Read again. And go sleep.
Dhar mutsrav. Guts shung.
Very good. Gatshang. Very good. Very good. Perfect. And drink water.
Trash. Che.
Tresh. Tresh. Che. Che. CH only, not CHH. It is CH only. Tresh. Che.
Trash.
Very good. Very good. Perfect. Last, this, give me water.
Medipoin.
Medipone or thresh. It is a longer one. Thresh. Thresh means if you, we discussed this last time also, give me point or thresh. Thresh means if you want water for drinking, that is called thresh. If it is water for general purpose, we call only point. Okay. Chalo, good. Let's go to the next one. Now we get, I ate food. Now, Shivansh, you first read, then Sukriti will read again. Go ahead.
Okay. I ate food. Make have butter.
I ate food. May have butter.
Good. Good.
Sit on the chair. Kursi pet be.
Sit on the chair. Kursi pyat be.
Pet. That's correct. Shivansh, repeat pet.
Piet.
Pet. Not th. It is th. 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 Th for turtle. Pet. Okay, because it is T with a dot in the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead. Next.
Give me a rupee. Medi ak rupe.
Ropai. Rupeni. Ropai. Ropai.
Bye.
Give me a rupee. Medi ak rope.
Ropai.
Rope.
Ropai. Per or year. Pai. Ropai.
Ropai.
Very good. Go ahead, Shivansh. Shivansh.
Yes. Go to the market. Bazaar guts.
Bazaar Gashun Likhit. Can you read it again, please?
Okay. Bazaar Bazaar guts.
Correct. Bazar Guts.
Bazaar
Guts. Very good.
Go to market. Bazar guts.
Very good. Go ahead, Shivansh.
Listen to me. Myoin cut bows.
Correct.
Listen to me. Nyayen kat bows.
Myoin Kathbos.
Nyayen kat bows.
Kathbos. Very good. Go ahead, next.
Run fast. Tez door.
Run fast. Tez door.
Come back. Vapas fir.
Come back. Vapas pher.
Wear clothes. Full of log.
Wear clothes. Pallav lag.
Very good. Very good. Both of you have done fantastic. Days of the week. Days of the week. Did we read them last time? No. Monday. Now, can you read, Shivansh? I want you to read the Kashmiri version of it.
Chandravar.
Chandravar. Very good.
Tuesday.
Yeah,
Bomvar.
you read the first four. Okay. Next.
Chandravar. Bomvar. Bodhvar. Brasvar.
Very good. Sukriti ji, आप बाकी तीन पढ़ लिए. बाकी चार.
Friday. Shukrawar. Saturday. Butwar. Sunday. Athwar. Holiday. Chutti.
Holiday day, it's not a day of the week, but generally ये हमने ऐड किया है कि छुट्टी का भी पता होना चाहिए. सब लोगों को. Shivansh also needs छुट्टी Sukriti also wants chutti from something, so that's why we added this. Okay, Shivansh,
Yes.
you enjoy holidays or no?
Yes, I like holidays.
Okay, every one of us likes holidays. Okay, now counting numbers. 1, ak. 2, z.
The
3, okay, I'll go slow, then you repeat. 1 is ak.
Ak. Z. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Sat, certainly, sat,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No.
1 minute, go ahead. 8 is earth, because it is T with a dot. It is not
Yeah.
earth. Earth. Then now is okay. The and da, both are there. Okay. 11 is ka, longest sound. 12 is again longest and ba. 13 is truva. Okay. Truva.
14. Soda.
Okay.
Shura. Sada. Arda. Kunva.
Kunvu.
Oh wait, no. Kunvu. Vu. Akvu. Zutuvu. Trovu. Tsovu. Pontu.
Punsu.
Pontu.
Okay. Now you can you read the Sukriti ji ये सारे एक बार?
ak, z, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 का
नहीं, there is the के साथ में दूसरा भी है, alternate भी है.
the
Da.
da
Da. Generally, da is used by Muslims in Kashmir. Generally, Hindus use the. Okay, just for your understanding. Okay, go ahead.
11 ka 12 ba 13 truva 14 swada 15 panda 16 shura 17 sada 18 arda 19 kunvo 20 wo 21 akvo 22 Zatovu 23 Trovu 24 Sovu 25 Patsu
Punsa. Very good. Great. First class. This PDF will be posted on the group and you will read this again. Okay. You will take a printout, maintain a file and revise as and when you can. Okay. As and when you can means अभी हमारी understanding ये है कि you will do this every day of the week. Okay. You will just go over it because now it is much easier for you to learn. Go over it and keep recording. Okay, Shivansh?
Yes, okay. I'm fine with that.
Yeah, okay. And Sukriti ji, aap bhi. And when you read this, don't send it to Kusum ji. Send these voice notes to me, okay?
Okay.
Great. Try and use the learnt words in sentences in daily routine. We have discussed this earlier also. If you have no problem, no one to talk to yourself in the mirror, like we said. It is important that you use these words daily. It will help you memorize them and use them in a daily conversation. So it's very, very important. So we'll not do it in once in a week. We'll do it daily. Okay. All the words which we have learned today or read today or repeated today, you will use them daily for next 1 week. Then I am sure you are much better today. So you will become even.
Hello, you're frozen.
Hello.
Okay, you're not frozen anymore.
You cannot hear me?
I couldn't hear you before because you were
Okay.
frozen.
Okay, now I'm okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you don't have to jumpstart creating sentences. You can use Kashmiri words and insert them in Hindi, English sentences. Gradually you will. But now you know the sentences, the smaller ones. Come here, go there, get up, sit down. I think ये सब आप करेंगे तो it will be much easier. Okay? Shivansh and Sukriti ji, am I okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll not go. Assignment is step 1, read, repeat, write all words, sentences you read today. Record them, listen to yourself, do it every day, practice and practice, self-assess yourself, which we talked. Every day you will record it, then you will see what the difference is there, then you will self-assess. That means you will see whatever was in the recording, the way we were supposed to pronounce, is it okay? If you have any doubt whether you are pronouncing rightly or wrongly, send the voice note to me, okay?
Okay.
Remember days of the week and numbers 1 to 25, write them and then read them. Now there are two things. One is that we have read them from the notes we have. Ak, z, tre, sor. Now you have to remember on your own, Shivansh. Ak, z, tre, sor, panch. Like you. Very good. Go ahead.
Sat.
Sat. Sat nahi, sat.
Sat. Nav.
The.
That's
The. Ka. Okay. Bah, Trova, Sada, Panda, Shura, 25 tak. You have to remember this. Okay, Sukriti ji, aap bhi. Remember by heart. Like we know in our own language, we have learnt English or Hindi में आपको याद है 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे ही आपको इसमें याद रखना चाहिए. Then you have to also remember days of the week. Shivansh remembers days of the week. Sukriti ji, आप भी वापस repeat कीजिए and remember on your own. You don't have to refer to notes. Okay. Record audio and video with yourself, assessment feedback as how do you feel, where did you do difficulties. Also post pages and videos to our Warikoo ji. Okay, you can post them this time completely. If you have any doubt, then you post it on me, otherwise you send it to Kusam ji. Okay, please don't post any assignment on Kosam. That we have done. Tell your roll number and name and video. I think by now you know everything what is to be done. Okay. So this everybody knows that by Wednesday you have to submit. Anything you want me to repeat or any clarification from this subject? आज का lesson का anything, Shivansh?
No.
Anything?
No.
Okay. Shall I close this lesson? Then we can have a chat for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop share. Now you tell me, how do you feel, Shivansh? अभी सच्ची तगामन कशर बोलूं? Now I will talk only in Kashmiri. Okay, good. सच्ची तगामन कशर बोलूं?
Bachus acha.
Mechu tagan vain, mechu vain tagan, mechu vain kashur tagan.
Mechuvain kosher tagan.
Bolun.
Bolon.
We learned that to speak means bolun. Mechu vain tagan kashur bolun. Mechu vain tagan kashur parun. I now know how to read Kashmiri. Mechu tagan kashur parun. Mechu tagan kashur bolun.
Mechu tagan kosher lakhun.
Lekhun. Lekhun. It is not the smaller one. It is Lekhun.
Lekun.
Very good. Mishtagan Lekhun, Mishtagan Parun, Mishtagan Bolun. I know how to write, I know how to read, and I know how to speak. Okay. Bolun means speak, read means Parun, write means Lekhun. Okay. We read this today. Very good. So next session, Shivansh, you have to talk to me in Kashmiri only. Okay.
ठीक है.
Very good. ठीक है नहीं? ठीक मारा छु. बुमारा पर कशिर पोइट. क्या वनक से? बुमारा पर कशिर पोइट.
Namara pore kosher pot.
बुमारा बोल कशिर पोइट.
Namara bolan kosher pot.
बोलन बोल. बुमारा बोल कशिर पोइट. कशिर पोइट.
Kosher pot.
सुकृति जी आप भी. This doesn't apply only to Shivansh. आपको भी कशिर पोइट ही बोलना है. मैं कश्मीर पटी बोलूं. Doesn't matter, we make mistakes, no issue. I am here only to guide you. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
Okay. Shall we call it a day?
Yes.
Yeah.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Namaskar Mara.
नमस्कार माला.
God bless you. Chalo. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. आप सुकृति जी, आप वो अपना वो जो लास्ट वाला पढ़ा था ना, एक बार वापस कर लीजिए. Then you see the difference. Today you read it much better than you recorded.
Okay.
आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला. आज जैसे आपने रिवाइज किया ना मेरे साथ में, आपने बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा बोला than what you have recorded. तो इसलिए आपको क्या होता है कि जब आप एक एक लेटर को ना syllable को नहीं देखना है, एक पूरे वर्ड को देखना है. जब वर्ड को देखेंगे ना तो you will not make a mistake. Okay?
Okay.
And as I told you last time also, only the difficult ones are the ones which have got conjuncts with ye or were, or and for Shivansh, t, th. There you have to keep remembering the dot at the bottom, or the. So you remember this, Shivansh. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. All the best. Chalo, good. Thanks for joining. Bye.